Hello, I'm excited to present CoRAGen, our comparative retrieval augmented generation framework. CoRAGen addresses a gap of current RAG interfaces by supporting multi-aspect comparisons for tasks like argument generation on controversial topics or comparing rankings or generations to assess bias across aspects. For example, if a user wants to explore questions like should LLMs be open sourced or should vaccines be mandated, they need to understand multiple perspectives, identify consensus points, and even weigh arguments based on the credibility of sources. Current RAG tools typically focus on single aspect scenarios, limiting holistic analysis. Let's look at CoRagen's workflow. First, users input their query in the search box and then define two or more aspects for the search to be conditioned on. I've added benefits and drawbacks. Now, clicking search triggers a retrieval process retrieving the top K documents from the web through two aspect specific queries. The search results are then passed to a generator to present the summaries of the documents. These summaries are also passed to LLM judges to evaluate the relevance of the documents, how grounded the summaries are in the documents, and how relevant the answers are to the query. Tasks such as argument generation are sensitive, and hence we provide various interactive features to give users confidence in the outputs to check for hallucination. For instance, on selecting a document, our framework displays the groundedness metrics as well as reorders the articles based on their relevance. The color intensity indicates the degree of relevance of each supporting evidence document to the summary. We also provide evaluations across aspects like cross-aspect relatedness, which shows how nuggets of text in one aspect are related to those in other aspects. This feature is important to find common ground, especially in polarized debates and argumentation. And all our settings are configurable. Users can select search engines, configure LLM generators, enable features like query reformulation and re-ranking, and customize prompts and model choices of LLM judges. CoRagen supports various scenarios where balanced perspectives are critical, from legal argument preparation to misinformation detection and for fairness studies. By facilitating retrieval augmented generation across multiple aspects and cross aspect comparisons across different perspectives, CoRagen helps users develop well informed arguments to find common ground in a polarized world, as well as to address biases.